Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about how to evaluate determinant of second order matrix. In the second order matrix, to evaluate a determinant of a second order matrix, just multiply principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. That gives the value of a determinant. But here, for any square matrix, irrespective of its order, if the determinant of a matrix is 0, then the matrix is known as singular matrix. If the determinant of matrix is not equal to 0, then the given matrix is known as non-singular matrix. Now I'm going to solve some more examples how to find determinant of a third order matrix. As in the previous lecture, I have given you very clear idea that third order determinant can be expanded by using or along any row or along any column. As 3 by 3 order matrix consists 3 rows and 3 columns, so you can expand by using any row or any column. The value of the determinant is not altered. That is, the value of the determinant remains same. So no need to worry, but usually all the beginners, the first time you try to expand third order determinant by using row 1. Once if you are perfect to find the value of the determinant by expanding row 1, first row, then you try to expand the same determinant with using other row or another column and check the answer, check the value of the determinant. Definitely you find the value of the determinant is same. Today let me take another example of 3 by 3 and I'll show you how the value of the determinant is not altered if it is being expanded by using any row or any column. So dear students, now look at, first I'm going to just take one more example here. Suppose here I'm going to take this matrix. So small matrix 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. So this is the matrix. So matrix has to be written in the square brackets always. Suppose this is the matrix A. We have to find out its determinant. We have to find out its determinant of A. But for 3 by 3 means you first put first row, start with first row, all signs you can write like this: plus, minus, plus, after plus, minus, plus, minus, after minus, plus, minus, plus. So if you see column wise or if you see row wise, the sign, let it start wherever it starts. It may start with positive or negative, but next the flow should be alternate. Now I'm going to, so we have to find out determinant of A now here. Look at this, determinant of A. So first I'm going to draw determinant here. So 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7. So this is the determinant. Now I'm going to expanding along R1. So any row you can write here. So expanding along R1. So that means here row. So R1 means here again I'll write, if it is possible, once again you see that 2, 3, 1. So many times I'll write 1, 1, 3, and 5, 4, 7. So that to avoid confusion, I'll write once again here 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, and 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, and again here 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. So I'm going to use row 1. So R1 means it is definitely first row 1. Now this is the row we are selecting. So top sign, we can give top plus, minus, plus. First you write here first plus 2. This is a determinant of A. This one you can, so plus 2 you can plus 2, and better it is open the bracket here, leave it, and next continue, go in this direction only. First row you have to go. So after a top sign with the number 3 we take, and again top sign and 1, this much, first row it is. Now we have taken first row, that is means here you can leave it. So I have taken first plus 2 here, no, this is the plus 2 I have taken. So whatever 2 I have taken, at this 2, you cancel complete horizontal line and a complete vertical line. So this is cancelled. You delete those row, horizontal row, so 2. So delete the row and column in which the element contained. 2 is in first row and 2 is in first column, delete them, and remaining cross multiplied. Remaining cross multiplied, that you know that 7 into 1 into 7 is 7. Here you have to write plus 2, no, you have taken in this element. That means 2 afterwards minus 7 minus 12. This is finished. This is one example is completed now. So look at here. So this one is, leave it now. This is completed. Now I'll go for, again we are working on first row now. First row means this is plus, minus, plus. So we have to go like this only now. So that is next. Top sign is minus and 3. You have taken, this is. Top sign is minus and 3. At 3, vertical line cancelled. At 3, complete horizontal cancelled. So then remaining these 2 we have to cross multiply it now. So these 2, that is 1 into 7. Here you have to write 1 into 7 is 7, minus after that 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. Next, we are going with first row only. So this is also completed. So we are expanding along with first row, means this is first row. That is plus, minus, plus. So this is completed. This is completed. Now top sign is plus 1. Plus 1 you have taken here. Plus 1 means at 1 complete vertical cancelled. At 1 complete horizontal cancelled. And here remaining we have to take cross multiplication. So remaining we have to take cross multiplication. 1 into 4 is 4, minus again 5 into 1 is 5. Finished. That's all. So is equal to plus 2, 7 minus 12 minus 5, minus 3 into 7 minus 15. So here 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 8, and plus 1 into 4 minus 5 minus 1, and simplify it, that is equal to minus 10 plus 24 and minus 1. That is equal to minus 11 plus 24. That is 24 minus 11 it is. That is equal to 13. The determinant of this is, determinant of A is equal to 13. So dear students, here once again you see that I have expanded by using row 1, first row. So first row from R1 I got answer is determinant of A is how much? Determinant of A, I got it 13. See that whether this determinant of this matrix remains same if you choose any row or any other row and any other column. So better always R1 is the standard for beginners. For students, better R1 is, row 1 means start with plus sign, minus sign, plus, that's all. Afterwards we can go. So here again we'll go for next one. So this is, you take down determinant of A is equal to 13, we got it now. Now I'll show you this remaining part here. So expanding, now I'm going to see that how I'm going to expand this remaining thing. Yes. So row 1 we have already taken. row 1 we have taken. So which column you are going to take, that is important here now. Yes. So in this case, row 1 is already completed now. So row 1 is completed. That is row 1 is already completed here. Check it now once again. So it will be same matrix only I'll take. Same matrix I'll take. Now how we can go for remaining? So here this is, yeah. First row is completed now. First row is being completed. Yes, here it is. Now expanding along. Now you choose one more. Expanding along. Whatever it may be, this say row 1 is completed now. Row 1, row 2. Or I'll go for column 3. Expanding along column 3. Column 3 I'm going to use. So once again I'll write column 3 means once again I'll write here now, see 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. 5, 4, 7. This is once again I'll write here 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. So till practice you can go for it again. I'll write here 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3 and 5, 4, 7. So very simple now. First column 3 we have selected. So this is column 3 signs. Column 3. That is here top symbols are. Look here. Column 3 means here it is top symbol is top sign is plus, minus, plus. So this we are going to go for. Now you can write determinant. See that how we can write the determinant here. So determinant of A. Look here. Yes. Column 3 no here. First you write top sign plus 1. You have taken 1 plus 1 gap and after that minus 3. That is you have to go. You have to come in this direction now. Column 3. Column 3 you are going to this. Minus 3. Just take the open the bracket plus 7. Plus 7. Now column 3 no you have taken column 3 this is. So plus 1 you have taken here. This is 1 you have taken 1 here first. Column 1 this is the column we are working. Column 3 we are working. Column 3 so 1 means at 1 horizontal at 1 vertical. So get cancelled. In first set you have to cross multiply this 4 minus 5. Next we have taken it is now this is here it is plus, this is plus, minus, this is plus 1 is completed now and here it is minus, this is this one you are taking now minus 3 here, minus 3 horizontal and minus 3 vertical get cancelled. So therefore remaining 2, that is what are the remaining 2? So we have to go for these 2 now. 2 into 4 8 minus 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. So we are working on column 3 now. This is plus, minus, plus. This is over already plus 1 we have taken minus 3. Now plus 7. No, we have taken plus 7 here. So plus 7 horizontal cancelled and plus 7 vertical cancelled. Therefore remaining 2 we have to, yes, third one, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Sure, the determinant must be same. 1 into 4 minus 5 minus 1 minus 3 into 8 minus 15 minus 7 minus 7 plus 7 into minus 1. 7 into minus 1. Minus 1 plus 21 minus 7. Therefore 21 minus 8. So 21 minus 8 that will be equal to 13. So determinant of A is equal to 13. See, same answer. Once again I'll write here. If I take column 3, if I expand column 3, determinant of A again I got it as 13 only. So like this, if you interchange, if you expand, I'll show you one more example how this rows and columns can be. Now see, if at all you want, you can take one more row or column. We'll see that whether it is confirmed. Once again, I'll same problem, same determinant only I will take. Same determinant I'll take and check this one, whether the determinant remains same or not. So determinant remains same or not, we'll check. But here now, as of now, I've gone through with R1 and column 3, even though the value of the determinant remains same. Now let me explain once again. There is one more method, just I'm going to expand this. Look at now. Yeah. So column 3 also we have expanded now. So our row 1 is completed. R1 I have completed now. So here R1 is completed. Column 3 completed. Now I am going to choose which are first alternate signs we can take here. First the signs are important. First all signs alternatively. Plus, minus, plus, after plus, minus, plus, minus, after minus, plus, minus, plus. In the morning itself I told you which are. Now which, so R1 is completed. So determinant of A we have to find out now. So determinant of A. So determinant of A, that is A matrix elements 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3. Try to understand. 5, 4, 7. 5, 4, 7. 5, 4, 7. Determinant, no, not in matrix. This you can write in modulus. Now tell me, column 3 is over now. So row 1 is completed now. We have taken row 1 also. This is and column 3. Now I'll go with column 1. So I want to go with column 1 now. Yes, expanding along column 1. You can just any this value remains same. Column 1 means I'll write. So we are working on column 1. Once again, try to understand. 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. Again, I'll write 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. Again, I'll write 3 times 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, and 5, 4, 7. 5, 4, 7. Okay. So we have taken column 1. We are decided to work on column 1. So plus, minus, plus. Here column 1 we are working, again starting plus, minus, plus. And again column 1 only you have decided to work plus, minus, plus. Column 1 first, you can start with column 1 here, plus 2. So determinant of A is equal to, first top sign and number, plus 2, give the bracket, and next minus 1, bracket, next top sign, plus 5 and bracket, finished. First we have taken plus 2. Here plus 2, this is we have taken. Horizontal get cancelled, vertical get cancelled, these two. You have to go for it. 7 minus 12, 7 minus 12. This is 7 minus 2. Next, we have taken minus 1. No? This is over minus 1. This is we have taken now. Minus 1 like this. At minus 1, that is sorry, top sign is minus and element is 1. At 1, you go for horizontal delete and vertical also you delete. So this is also delete. Now remaining are 7 3s are 21 minus 4. That is completed. Next here. So first column we are working plus 2 already we have taken. Top sign plus 2 already completed. Top sign minus 1 we have completed. And top sign plus and 5. This we have taken now. 5 here. 5. So at 5 horizontal cancelled. At 5 vertical cancelled. The remaining are to be cross multiplied. So 3 3s are 9 minus 1, finished. This is the technique. You can write 2 times of minus 5 minus 1 into I think 17 plus 5 into 8 plus 5 into 8 minus 10 minus 10 minus 17 plus 40. That is equal to minus 27 plus 40. I think the answer remains again 13. See, look at. So that means if you expand by using C1 also, and if I expand by C1 also, determinant remains 13 only. So that means definitely from this what we can understand. So far we have completed row 1 completed, column 3 completed, column 1 completed. But again I want to tell you, in any row, you take any elements of any row or any column. the value of the determinant is always same. So once again, please note down this. So once again, I'll go for one more explanation. Again, I'll take one more. See, two columns already I have here. You look at this one. Here, I worked on two columns, only one row. Another row, I'll prove it. Like this, you can take any row or any column. The value remains same only. The value remains same only. Now, once again, you see that. Now, once again, how to go for columns. Yeah. So the determinant remains same only. The value of the determinant remains same. But here, see, this one also column. Now we'll decide. Now here, these are R1 is completed, R2 completed. Now once again, I'll take. Now this time, expanding. This is the one. Here it is 1. This one. So expanding row 2. I have taken row 2. Expanding along R2. Second row. So we are catching at second row. First, you know the signs here. You have to write signs first. All the signs for 9 elements, starting with plus, minus, plus, after plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, after minus, plus, minus, plus. So we are working on second row now. We have decided to expand with second row like this. This is the second row. So again, I'll write elements once again. I'll write for you. So 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, and 5, 4, 7. To avoid confusion, you just write down once again 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, and 5, 4, 7. So we are working on, so which second row? So we are working on second row means here, second row here. Second row signs are what? Second row signs here, see that. It starts from minus, plus, and minus. First you write here. So determinant of A is equal to, look here. Top sign, like you have to go in this direction now. You have to go in this direction. So therefore, minus 1, bracket open, and after that go forward. Top sign plus 1 bracket, and again top sign minus, and element is 3 bracket now. So first top sign minus 1 you have taken now here. So then its horizontal get cancelled, and here vertical also get cancelled. The remaining is cross multiplication. 3 into 7, 21, minus 4. 4 into 1 is 4, these two. Next, we are working on second row, no, here. Second row, once again, you see that second row, there is second row, sign starts from minus, plus, minus. That means this is already over. This is already minus 1 is over. Now top symbol, top sign plus 1 you have taken. At this means complete horizontal get cancelled. At this, complete vertical get cancelled. Whatever element you take, then remaining as cross multiplication. 2 sevens are 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Next here, so this is plus, sorry, this is minus. Second row here, you see that minus, plus, minus. So this is also already you have taken, this is taken. Now top sign minus and 3 we have taken. At 3 complete horizontal, at 3 complete vertical get cancelled. Then remaining is 2 4s are 8, minus, that is these two you have to cross multiply it now. 2 4s are minus, 5 3s are 15. That means minus 1, 21 minus 4, 17, plus 1, 14 minus 5, 9, minus 3 into minus 7, minus 7. So minus 17 plus 9 plus 21. 21 plus 30, 30 minus 17 is, answer is 13. Look at this. That is once again. So now we have expanded by R2 also. So here in this determinant, first row, along with first row I have expanded, along with second row I have expanded, along with column 3 I have expanded, along with column 1 also I have expanded. Even though every time we got the determinant is same. So from this we can make a conclusion that the value of the determinant is not altered if the determinant is being expanded by using any row or any column. So once again, last, I'll go for one more expansion. Now, column 2 I'll take, and the column 2 point of view. Look at this, same problem. So same problem now, I'll go for column 2 now. So here you see that this is column 2, I've decided to work on column 2 now. So this is the same determinant only I've taken now. Same determinant I've taken now, column 2. I've decided to work on column 2 now. Yes. First, well in advance, you write down the signs so that it will be helpful for you. Plus, minus, plus, plus and minus, plus this is. Now column 2 we have decided. So we have decided to work on column 2 now. So expanding along column 2. Expanding along column 2. Now look at here. So this way. Last column 2, then you'll come to know. So totally 3 rows and 6 ways you can expand by using 3 rows and 3 columns. Already I have expanded 4 times, 2 rows and 2 columns. Now last and final, one more column I'll take, even though I'll show that the result is remains same only. So here now we'll go for this. So expanding along column 2 I'm going to take now. So that is column 2. I'm going to take column 2 now. Column 2. That is column 2 means what? This one. Here. This is the column 2. This is column 2. So sign starts from column 2 we are working. Therefore sign start from minus, plus, minus this column. No. So I'll write once again here column 2 means column 2 here only. This is column 2 here plus, here minus, it will start here. Already we have taken a column 2 plus, plus, this is plus, and this is minus. So first you write top sign. So determinant of A is equal to first top sign and 3 element, open the bracket, and the next top sign and 1, open the bracket, and the top sign is 4, top sign and 4, open the bracket now. So first you have taken here only, I'll write. Here I'll take this one minus 3, top sign minus and 3 you have taken. This 3 horizontal get cancelled and vertical get cancelled. That is 7, remaining 2, 7 minus 15. Column 2 no, we have taken. Once again I'll write here, it is now 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 7. Column 2 we are working. There is a minus. It starts from minus. No, here see. Column 2 signs are minus, plus, and minus. Here this is completed already. We have taken now this one. Next see here plus 1. Here plus 1 we have taken. That means this we have taken. So at this point total horizontal get cancelled. Delete. And at this point totally vertical also you delete. So the remaining you have to take cross multiplication. 2 sevens are 14 minus 5. Now last top symbol, that is a column 2 we are going now. This is column 2 means it start from minus here. Here see the signs already, column 2 signs are minus, plus, and minus. Now last is minus 4. This is already you have taken. This is already taken. Now this is. Now you are taking. This is 4. Top sign 4. At element 4, both complete horizontal get cancelled. At 4, complete vertical get cancelled. These two get cancelled or deleted. Those two row and column, just delete it. And now remaining elements has to be cross multiplied. That is, we have to multiply 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1. That is equal to 2 into 3, 6 minus 1. And see that minus 3 minus 8 plus 1, 14 minus 5, I think 9 minus 4 into 5. So 24 plus 9 and minus 20. 24 minus 20 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. See that once again. So determinant of A is always equal to same. So the conclusion is, what is the conclusion? See that R2, now I have taken that is also column 2 also. That is all columns. Column 1 I have expanded. Taking column 1 I have expanded. Taking column 2 I have expanded. Taking column 3 also I have expanded. Taking row 1 I have expanded. Taking row 2, and you can try assignment taking row 3. Third row, you take third row and expand this determinant. Definitely the answer remains same only. So the conclusion part is, so better standard one is expanding along R1. Conclusion, the value of the determinant is not altered. The value of the determinant, the value of the determinant is not altered. The value of the determinant is not altered if the determinant is expanded by, if the determinant expanded along any row or any column or any column. So why this conclusion is important is, suppose see here, I'll tell you why I'm telling you. Suppose the determinant I've given 243, 127, 157, 1, 0 and 2, 224, 157 and 111. So in this what happened? Here I will choose, I'll try to expand the determinant by using second row. Why? Because in the second row, elements are very small and one element is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So here second row means what here? Plus. Second row means here. Second row signs are what? Minus, plus, minus. 1 into 1, yes, 1 horizontal, 1 get cancelled, these two. And 0 into anything is 0. So that is the reason. So if you know this correct idea, if the determinant is expanded by using any row or any column, the value remains same. Then easily always choose such a row in which the elements are small numbers, or in which most of the elements, some of the elements are remain 0. So 0 into anything, so multiplication with 0 and multiplication with 1 is always easy. And even multiplication with single digit numbers also easy. That's the reason this theorem is most important. You can expand it by using any row and any column. So now my dear students, so here in this case, now I'm going to take one determinant, no matrix, directly I'll come from this and I'll expand all rows and columns. I'll show that the final answer, the value of the determinant is not altered. The value of the determinant remains same if it is expanded by using any row or any column. So this is what I'm today just I wanted to give you the final conclusion. Look at this. Yeah. So today just now I'll start with one small example. Now directly I'll go for it. Suppose a small determinant I'll take. So immediately I'll 1, minus 1, 2, small numbers I'll take 3, 4, 7, again 1, again minus 2 and 5. So this is the determinant, no matrix and no determinant. First I'll expand by using R1. So R1 I'll go for it. So from R1, yes, I'm going to expand by R1. So here R1 means here you can write here it is plus, minus, plus, or any dash R1 plus 1. First you can write here. Now I'm going to write directly plus 1 into directly R1 top symbol 1 and open the bracket, and the top sign minus of minus 1. Next time we have taken open the bracket here, and again plus 2, open the bracket. So immediately now I'm not deleting here directly. At 1 horizontal get cancelled, vertical get cancelled, these two. Here you see that 4 into 5, 20, So 4 into 5, 20, it will become plus 14. Why? Because 20 minus of minus. Afterwards, stop sign 1 and minus 1 we have taken. So minus 1 means horizontal and vertical. 3 5s are 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. And again here plus 2. 2 horizontal, vertical. Minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4. So therefore, so it is 1 into 34. 1 into 34 plus 1 into 15 minus 7, 8. And plus 2 into minus 10. Minus 10. 34 plus 8 minus 20. Minus 20. So here this result is 22. So the value of the determinant is 22. Next, I'll go for the same determinant expanding by. Now I'll go for expanding by R3. I'll take R3. All examples I'll show. So now R3. What happened? R3 means here. This R3. Yes. Plus, minus, plus. It will start from plus now. You go plus, minus, and plus. So plus 1. Plus 1, open the bracket. Next row 3, top sign minus and minus 2 we have taken and open the bracket. And again plus 5, and again open the bracket. So plus 1, third row we are taking. Plus 1 means vertical cancel, horizontal cancel, minus 7, minus 4 to the 8. Next here top sign minus and minus 2 are taken. Vertical, horizontal, 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Next, plus 5, 5 vertical, 5 horizontal, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So therefore, it is equal to 1 into minus 15. 1 into minus 15 plus 2 into 1 plus 5 into 7. So here, this is minus 15 plus 2 plus 35. 35, that is equal to minus 35 minus 15, 35 minus 5, 30, that is equal to 20, 20 plus 2, 22. See, again the value remains same. Again the value remains same only here. Now I'm going to give one more example now. R1, R2 is there. Again, I'll write this problem here. Look at another 2 more. I'll take 1. So 1, minus 1, and 2, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, and 5. Now I want to choose row 3 is a column. I'm going to take column 3. So I want to expand by using column 3. So I want to expand by using column 3. Column 3 means plus. Here it is plus, minus, plus. Again, column 3 means you have to come down. Plus, minus, plus. So plus 2 again. Column 3 you have to go like this. You have to come this way. Column 3 means plus 2. Open the bracket. Minus 7. Minus 7. Open the bracket. And plus 5. And open the bracket. First plus 2 directly, plus 2 horizontal, vertical, minus 6, minus 4, and again minus 7 horizontal and vertical. This at this element horizontal get cancelled and vertical get cancelled. So vertical also get cancelled. This also 1 to the minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1. You can just take small x plus 5 horizontal, vertical. So plus 5 means horizontal, vertical. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 get. So look at this, and 2 into minus 10, 2 into minus 10, minus 7, minus 7 into minus 1, plus 5 into 7. So minus 20 plus 7 plus 35. So here 35 minus 20, that is 15 plus 7, that is 22. Look at this. The value of the determinant every time it remains same. Now I'll column 3. Again, I'll show you one more. I'll show you one more. You can do next one. You can do yourself. Now I wanted to go for here again. I'll write here, and I will write this simply. This same problem it is. Again, I'll write here 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1, minus 2, plus 5. Top signs not necessary. Okay. Now I'll go for column 2. I'll go for column 2. If I expand by using column 2, see that answer, column 2. Column 2 means here. Column 2 means here, it will start from here. Look at this. Column 2 means plus, it is minus. After minus, you have to go. Column 2 means you have to come down like this. You have to go down. You have to go like this. So plus, minus, after minus, it is plus, and again minus. It is plus. So that is top sign. That is here. You can just remember. You are just, you can see that in this case. Yeah. So column 2 means top symbol. Look at here. Top minus of again element minus 1. Open the bracket. Plus 4. Open the bracket. And the minus top sign is top symbol. Top sign is minus and element is minus 2. Open the bracket. Finish directly minus 1. So you can write here. I'll show you this. This one, no. You have taken minus 1 here. This here I'll check it. Already you have done, no. This is horizontal get cancelled, vertical get cancelled. That is equal to, this top sign is never considered. Top sign is just only for writing. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Minus 7. Okay. Next, here plus 4. Here top symbol plus 4. Horizontal and vertical get cancelled. This is complete horizontal get cancelled, and this is complete vertical get cancelled. 1 into 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Next, last minus, this is the element, minus top sign, top symbol, top sign is minus and element is minus 2. At minus 2, horizontal and vertical get cancelled. That is 7, cross multiplication remaining, 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. And 1 into 15 minus 7, 8. Plus 4 into 5 minus 2 is 3. Plus 2 into 7 minus 6 is 1. That is equal to 8 plus 12 plus 2. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 2, that is equal to 22. So from this, what you observe, if you expand this, my dear students, look at this. If you expand by R1 and the row 1, if you expand by third row, if you expand by third column, if you expand by second column, similarly, if you expand by column 1, similarly, if you expand by row 2, another 2, even though if you expand by column 1 also, the answer remains 22. If you expand by row 2 is also 22. So from this, what you understand, the value of the determinant is not altered. The value of the determinant remains the same. The value of the determinant remains same. If the determinant of any order, it's maybe 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, any determinant I'm telling you. Or else you can, conclusion, you can do like this. In any determinant, the value of the determinant is always the same, or the value of the determinant is not altered if it is expanded by using along any row or any column. But whichever element you take in the third row, third order determinant, at that element, you have to delete the row and column in which that element contains. So after deleting one row and one column, you get 4 elements, and as usual, you go for simple cross multiplication. So be cautious and don't commit any mistake. Why? Because the determinant of any matrix is always important. In matrices, it will be helpful for you to find out inverse of a matrix, solution of linear equations by using matrix method, in solution of equations by Cramer's rule, determinant method. So many methods are there. In that, determinant is always important. Without determinant, it's very difficult to find out inverse of a matrix. So this you can practice it. I'll give one assignment is also for you. So in this small assignment, directly determinant I will give you. In this, I'm going to give you the determinant here. I think you have taken here. So in the next coming class, here you see, now I'm going to give this one assignment here. Evaluate -2, -3, 4, -1. I'll put a lot of minus sign. -2, 3, and 5, -4, and 1. So determinant is not matrix. So that is modulus symbol. Directly I've given determinant of this. You can use any row or any column. Any row or any column. Definitely you can. So dear students, so before going for next level of this determinant, first all students must be perfect in evaluating the determinant. If you make any mistakes to evaluate a determinant, and there will be a lot of damages. And coming topics of determinants or coming topics of matrices, definitely it will totally entire spoil the solutions of the problems. So that I just suggest, I request you people to not to commit any mistake while calculating the determinant. So for that case, I think this video you can see 2-3 times, and better solve some of the practice, some more examples. And any one method you can go for it. Better it is always, if it is necessary, if the the determinant is simple, better always try to expand by using R1. R1 means it will start from plus, so it is plus, minus, plus. Plus of top sign, number, bracket, open the bracket, top sign, number, bracket, and top sign, number, bracket, the open. Whichever number you have taken, at that number delete horizontal row and vertical column, and remaining you take cross multiplication. Thank you, my dear students. Hope you understand this session well. Please let me know if you have any doubts, so that I will clarify in my next lecture. Thank you.